The National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, has rejected a recommendation from the St. Thomas Fire Department for the church corner disposal site to be removed from its current location. But the NSWMA has signed off on a number of other recommendations. The fire department made proposals for relocation of the dump for improved safety and fire prevention measures following a series of fires at the facility, including one on Tuesday. Divisional Commander for the St. Thomas Fire Department Superintendent Mark Harris says among the recommendations that the NSWMA has agreed to are the regular dumping of dirt on the waste and periodic digging of holes and flooding them with water.
The entrance of the landfill to be free from obstacles, because many times we have a difficulty accessing the landfill. They have actually did that, so we are free to access the area.
He was addressing Thursday's monthly municipal cooperation meeting. Former mayor and councillor for the White Horses Division, Hubert Williams, raised concern about a proposal for 3 fire hydrants to be installed at the landfill in areas where fires usually break out.
That area has been facing some serious water problems. So I'm asking what good the hydrant will do us when there's no water in the pipe. How are we going to work those hydrants when we don't have water?
The fire department reported that it responded to 21 fire calls in February. Councillors are insisting on better management of the dump and a more suitable location for a proper landfill in St. Thomas.